Searching for the best lighted bathroom mirror feels like falling into a rabbit hole. Every product looks the same. Front lit, backlit, anti-fog, dimmable, but which one actually delivers? The real difference isn't in the photos or bullet points, it's in the details that most brands don't highlight up front. Let's cut through the noise.
Product number 1. LOAO 24x32 Dual Light Mirror. The LOAO 24x32 LED mirror. At $89.99, it's sitting right in that sweet spot between budget and premium. What caught my eye was the dual lighting, front and backlit, which isn't common at this price. If you want bright, even lighting for makeup or shaving without blind spots, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The front light gives you direct illumination on your face, while the backlight reduces shadows around your head and shoulders. That combo means no more leaning into the mirror just to see your cheekbones. The 3 color temperatures, 3000K warm, 4000K natural, and 6000K white, let you match the lighting to your routine, whether it's a relaxing skincare session or getting ready for a night out. Plus, the memory function remembers your last brightness and color setting, so you're not fiddling with buttons every morning. Now, some people complained about the anti-fog feature not covering the full mirror, and they're right. The heating pad is only in the center, so fog clears from the middle out and the edges stay slightly misty. Here's the thing though, for most people, you're looking straight ahead, not at the corners. If you need full edge defogging, this might frustrate you, but if you're okay with a little patience after a hot shower, it's totally usable. This is perfect for you if you want dual lighting, solid build quality, and smart features like memory and dimming, all under $90. Skip this one if you take long, steamy showers and need the entire mirror clear instantly. For the price, it's one of the best value picks out there.
Product number 2. Van Poken's Gradient LED Mirror. If LOAO's partial anti-fog bothered you, this Van Poken's mirror steps it up with 150% enhanced anti-fog coverage. Priced at $99.99, it's a bit more premium, but it brings something unique: gradient lighting. Instead of static colors, the lights slowly shift from warm to cool, creating a spa-like vibe. If you want both function and ambiance, this one's a standout. The gradient mode isn't just gimmicky, it actually helps you test how your makeup looks under different lighting conditions. One moment it's soft morning light, the next it's bright office lighting. That's huge if you're serious about color accuracy. The CRI greater than 90 rating means colors appear more true to life, so your foundation won't look orange or ashy. And with IP54 water resistance, it's safe near sinks and showers. Now, the downside, the touch controls can be a little finicky. Some users reported needing multiple taps to switch modes, especially with wet fingers. Here's the thing though, once you get used to the timing, it's manageable. It's not a deal breaker, but it's annoying if you're in a rush. Also, the gradient effect only works when you manually activate it, so it won't auto-cycle unless you turn it on. This is perfect for you if you love smart features, want better anti-fog, and enjoy a little mood lighting in your bathroom. Skip this one if you prefer simple one-touch controls or hate when tech overcomplicates daily routines. At $100, it's a solid upgrade with real personality.
Product number 3. Trahome 36x24 Large Vanity Mirror. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be better for families or shared bathrooms. The Trahome 36x24 mirror is wider and taller, giving you more reflective space. At $79.98, it's the most affordable large format mirror here, and it doesn't skimp on features. The extra width means you can see your full outfit or help someone else get ready without crowding. The front and back lighting work together to eliminate shadows, which is perfect if multiple people use the mirror at different times of day. The anti-fog turns on with a long press and shuts off automatically after 30 minutes, great for saving energy. And the memory function kicks in every time you power it back on. Now, the flaw. The touch buttons are small and close together. Some users accidentally turned on the defogger when trying to adjust brightness. Here's the thing though, after a few uses, you'll learn the spacing. It's not ideal, but it's not a safety issue. Also at 36 inches, it's heavier, so make sure your wall can support it. This is perfect for you if you have a larger bathroom, share the mirror with a partner or kids, or just want more visibility. Skip this one if you have a tiny space or prefer ultra-precise touch controls. For under $80, it's a steal for the size and performance. Product number 4. BreView 24x32 HD Tempered Mirror. If you're looking for something sleek and reliable without breaking the bank, the Breview mirror at $75.48 is a quiet winner. It doesn't have flashy features like gradient lighting, but it nails the basics with HD clarity and solid build quality. If you want a no-nonsense, high-performing mirror that just works, this is it. The tempered glass is 5 millimeters thick and shatterproof, which means even if it gets knocked, it won't explode into shards. Huge for safety, especially with kids around. The dual lighting gives even coverage, and the 3 color temps cover all your grooming needs. The anti-fog clears quickly from the center, and the memory function saves your last setting. Plus, it supports both plug-in and hardwired setups, so it fits almost any bathroom layout. Now, the downside. The blue indicator lights can't be turned off normally. You have to hold the defogger button for 3 seconds. Some users found this confusing at first. Here's the thing though, once you know the trick, it's fine. It's not intuitive, but it's not broken. Also, the frame is minimal, which looks modern but offers less grip during installation. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, safe, and straightforward mirror at a great price. Skip this one if you hate hidden button combos or want more decorative lighting effects. For under $80, it's one of the most dependable options out there.
Product number 5, Low Allow 28x36 Premium Large Mirror. If you've got the space and budget, the Low Allow 28x36 is the luxury pick at $129.42. It's the same brand as the first one, but bigger and more refined. If you want maximum visibility, premium materials, and all the smart features in a larger format, this is the one. The extra size means you can see your entire face and upper body without moving back. The dual lighting is brighter and more evenly distributed, thanks to better LED placement. The anti-fog, memory function, and 3 color temps are all here, just like the smaller version, but scaled up. And it's ETL listed, meaning it's been safety tested for electrical use in wet areas. Now, the flaw. It's heavy. At this size, installation isn't a one-person job. Some users struggled with alignment using the Z-bar brackets. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions and maybe grab a friend, it's totally doable. Also, at nearly $130, it's a bigger investment, so make sure you really need the size. This is perfect for you if you have a spacious bathroom, want a statement piece, or use the mirror for full face and upper body grooming. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have a small space. But if you can afford it, it's the most complete package here.
So which one should you pick? The Breview is the best budget buy under $80. Tray Home gives you the most space for the price. Van Pockens adds flair with gradient lighting. Lowell's 24x32 is the best all-around value. And if you want luxury, go for the larger Lowell. No matter your need, one of these will upgrade your bathroom game. Drop your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear which one you're leaning toward.